show as much of this as we can. Foot pedal here operates the work holding piece. Wheel on off right here, and the wheel's an interesting has a starting sequence that's a little odd. You have to hold the button and the contactor clicks 6 times as it spins up before it will stay on. That's something to know. That is very consistent even when the wheel is spinning at high RPMs. Just slowing down right now. Even if it's spinning high RPMs, it still kicks the contactor on and off 6 different times. So I'll try to show that here. This is stopped now, obviously, but you have to hold it 1, 5, 6, and it stays on. So that is how you start the wheel. That motion is with these buttons right here. Go the other way. I have to hold the speed and then press the arrow. And then go the other way. I'll hit these ones right here. Moves the table out. It's a little difficult to see, but that's out like that, and then the other end looks like this. I'll move it the other way. That you can use the hand wheel to move it as well. It's a little slower with the hand wheel. Move the head closer. The hand crank, you can see the numbers moving there. The screen's a little difficult to see. See that this is, we're back to the buttons here. You can see the numbers on the screen move. Moves the probe. And then here's the jog button. Moves the, and then you can hit the work start, which is right here. The override doesn't do anything on that. So don't know if it actually runs in full auto or not, but that is what we can show you, and that's what we know. This changes this. Don't know what this is for. not familiar enough with the machine, but there's that. Then there's the coolant pan, and these hoses is not all connected. You can hear the motor running right here. Got the hoist hooked up here. Lift this pan in place to hook it up. There's all that. The back side of the machine.